Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with the Wltoys 104001 brush version. And we got these two recyclable batteries. They look like this. And we also got the USB charger. And we also got the remote. Oh, you can't get it in the camera. There we go. And that was comes with this manual and this any extra parts and tools just in case you need to replace something. So let's open it up. We got a brush motor, brush ESC, 2-piece metal drive shaft, adjustable turnbuckles, metal axles and drive cups, metal gears, we got shock towers, we got metal shock towers and aluminum shocks front and back. Now if I turn this over, we got a metal chassis with all the screws in it. Yeah, so basically that's it on this, but I only got this because I want to try to beat my dad against his buggy, and I don't think it's gonna be much of a challenge because his is a lot slower than mine. But anyway guys, hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah, he didn't pull a fast one and got this Wltoys 104001, but that's okay, that's cool. So we out here today, we finna test it and see what kind of speeds it get out of it, and hey, we'll see. Pick it up and let's show them how fast the servo is. Just pick it up, and that servo is pretty responsive. All right, you can put it on the ground. Let me put this on my head and start the GPS. Track, start. You can go. Stay off them yellow thing, dude. Stay in the middle.
Wow, I tried to brake and it wouldn't brake.
Bag it up. Come on back this way. Come on back this way. Full speed. Bring close to me. So he got 24 miles per hour. Alright, so we're gonna run it down again. So just stay down the middle. You're gonna run it back down there again. Go full speed. Now come back full speed. I actually slick forgot to start the doggone GPS, but he don't know that. Alright. But what I can tell you though, the radio don't have a long range on, don't have a very good range on it, so PJ, bring it over here. Bring it over here. I forgot to start it. Yep. But come here, bring it to me. Bring me the controller. Bring me the controller. Evidently you can't handle it. So I'm gonna have to do a rate. If he even got it, I don't even see it.
I don't think it has one.
You got the throttle dual rate, steering trim.
You don't got one.
Wonder what this is then. I wonder what that is. I have to read the thing, but start. You might have to go down there. Go full speed. You starting now though. Alright, turn around. Come back full speed. Full speed all the way to me. Stop it. Bring it close to me. Stop. Read. 24 miles per hour. So alright guys, he got 24 miles per hour.
It's supposed to go 28.
Out of the box I think it says 45 kilometers, which I think comes out to be about 28 miles per hour.
It's like 27.9.
But at least it was closer than what my Typhon was, because I think out the box it says 30 miles per hour. And I got 19. So I don't know if they mean out the box with a gear change or what, but I didn't have any extra gears in there. So anyway, out of the box for my Typhon 19, out of the box for his Wltoys is 24. So one thing about it though, max speed, he beat me on that. So in that competition, max speed, he beat me. But the thing is, can he drive it? So when we do a little racing, we're gonna do a little race course and some dirt, rocks, and all that stuff. So we'll see if he can beat me then. Because speed is not everything if you can't handle it, though. Ain't that right? All right, guys, y'all be safe, and we'll see you all on the next video.